God bless all the faithful. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. Appreciate you clicking on the video this morning. Out for a solo duck hunt this morning at what I consider pretty much to be Old Faithful. If you are a regular for the channel or have been here for a while, you've probably seen me hunt this place quite a bit. It's just really close to my house, easy to get to. Not very many people hunt it either. And if you hit the cold fronts just right, you can kill some serious birds on it. And that's exactly what's going on today. There's a good cold front pushing through the next couple days, and even another one coming in next week, so I'm expecting the birds to start getting down here. We really haven't seen much, and I've got teal flying out in front of me already. We really haven't seen much yet this year for the big ducks. The blue wings have officially gone through. I would say I haven't seen one in about a week. I think they're pretty much gone. But I'm expecting this next week to get really, really interesting with the cold that we have coming. I'm hoping that everything doesn't just blow through real quick with what little water we do have, but I'm going to try and take advantage of whatever opportunities I can get, and we'll go from there. So, about 5-ish minutes away from shooting light. So, stay tuned. I've already had birds in my decoys. I've already been seeing some in the air. If I had to guess, I'd probably shoot 3 or 4. And I just had two teal land, and 3 teal land in the decoys. Like green wingers. Beep, 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 beep. Teal in the decoys. Bunch of ducks out front. I've heard a few mallards too. These ducks are gonna... Oh man, there's ducks everywhere. Yep. Teal. A lot of teal, but... a few mallards. I got 3 mallards up top right now. Oh my gosh. There's ducks everywhere. Big ball of teal. Holy teal out the ass. I got a mallard swimming into the decoys. I'm like 2 or 3 minutes away from shooting light. Beep. 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 I got 2 ducks down. Unfortunately, I don't really want to get out of the blind yet, but my mallard, I got that mallard, but he's swimming. Alright, I've got 4 ducks down. I just doubled. Oh, those are blue wings. Huh. I'll be damned. I said there's no more blue wings, and here we are. Well, wouldn't have thought he could move that fast. Oh, there he is. Got him on that. Whew! I was gonna be really pissed off if I lost that Drake mallard. Alright. Can't complain with a little bit of green to start the day. He's not going to be a very picture-worthy duck, that's for sure. Here I was this morning saying all the blue wings are gone, and I shoot a blue, I shoot a pair of blue wings. Oh, they must all be blue wings. I didn't realize this was a blue wing. Oh well, I ain't complaining by no means. This kind of year, ducks are ducks. Thought they were greens. It's wrong. That's okay. We got 4 ducks in the bag. It's really early. All right. Wiggin. I thought I got 2. I might have not. I might have only got the one. I thought I heard another one smack. Oh, I did. Okay. That's why you don't just keep shooting. I thought I had heard one smack the water back behind me. I'm glad I didn't try and set up like I was gonna shoot another one. God bless all the faithful. And I should get out of here early enough that a lot of these birds come back. Might have to think about switching islands to get them to work a little better. But that last group was a mixture of stuff. A lot of widgeon is what it mostly was. And then I heard a mallard or two in there. I wouldn't be surprised if there was a gadwall. Glad I didn't shoot those blue wings that landed in the decoys too. I knew it wouldn't have been worth it, so I think based on the speculums they're both drakes. Yeah, this one's a drake. It's a young one, but it's a drake. Not bad. Not a terrible looking bird. The other one though, I'm excited to look at the other one. Oh man, this is a pretty bird. His head is, oh no. No, it's a drake. His belly's really in. His speculum's still kind of getting some work. No bands. That's alright. Clean up. Man, I really thought with this north wind I would kill some ducks this morning. Usually a good north wind just is a good sign, but I guess not. Nebraska's just too dry this year. I mean, I had just the perfect little spread along this island. Got the yak. Made myself a sweet little blind, but I don't know where the ducks are. I just don't know where they're at. Ducks are lucky I have my limit because they're pouring in here. Anyways, back to shore. That was a little quick, so I didn't really get a good opportunity to really show you guys birds. So started my morning with the old greenhead. I heard him swimming around. I heard him, beeping, and sorry, just more ducks flying overhead. I heard him meeping, and I had all those teal in the decoys, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna try and shoot that mallard. Just let him sit. And I could see him, and I eventually gave him a good clack, and he came over, and he probably regretted it. I wish I'd shot him a little better. I didn't hit him very good. I kind of lost him in the horizon because it's so early. I mean, it was only 5 or so minutes after shooting light. So, and then right after I shot him, I had one blue wing past the decoys, basically land in the decoys, and so I shot that. I thought all these teal were green wings. I thought there was no way there'd be blue wings still, but it's a ton of blue wings. And then as I was going to get to the kayak, I had 3 land off the island, and I shot those. Went and got all my ducks. Had 4. Could have shot more teal in the decoys. Waited, wanted to hopefully shoot a few more big ducks, and then a big old group of widgeon. I love widgeon. Some of my favorite ducks. And I shot 2 of them, and it seems like every time I hunt, I have this opportunity to kind of teach, from my experiences. I shot at these widgeon. I thought I had hit a bird on my first shot, and then I went to a second bird. And as I was shooting that second bird, I knew I hit it, but I heard what sounded like the smack of a bird on the water or the ground. I had actually an opportunity to shoot those teal that came buzzing through the decoys again, or within range, and I opted not to because I thought I'd heard another bird hit the water or hit the ground, and sure enough, I walked around and I ended up seeing him on the back side of the island. So always check. Always make sure. I had a situation, especially since that would round off my limit. You want to make sure, you want to be really careful. I had a situation when I was out in the Sandhills for opener where I shot a pintail at first light. And, you know, in Nebraska and most of your states, and actually I don't know that there's a state that it's more than one right now unless you go to Canada or Mexico. You know, when you have that one bird bag limit or you're approaching your limit, you should make sure. And I had to make sure with that pintail because I had pintails bombing me all morning until I got out there. And, you know, I wouldn't have wanted to shoot another one and, you know, go over my limit. You know, duck hunting is definitely a privilege, and we want to respect the animals that we are given the opportunity to harvest. And we don't want to, you know, we don't want to break the law. And honestly, I see enough of people joking about breaking the law, and whether they're serious or not, I don't care. It's just not, I don't find it funny. I don't think that it should be an okay thing to joke about, and some people actually get tickets because they joke too much, and I think that is appropriate. So be careful, make sure that you're within your limits, whether it's, you know, species limit or daily bag limit. Just want to be careful. So that's my TED Talk. Thank you. I have a beautiful spread to pick up, and I'm going to get out of here. Try and let these ducks get back in here, because actually I think me and my dad and potentially Hunter from Big Red Hunters are going to come out here in the morning, and I think we're going to kill some birds, because I'm watching a group of big ducks land on the other end of the lake. The north wind's supposed to pick up again today, and I would not be shocked if this loads back up. So thank you for clicking on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for me. Leave me a comment. Are you guys getting out there shooting some ducks or deer hunting, whatever you're doing? I don't really care. I want to hear about it. Let's build like a little bit of a community here. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I hope to see y'all back on the next episode.